Hello. Today I like to explain something regarding the new SIKA P25-auto, the automatic tabletop pump. So that means this is this device. As you can see, we have two pressure ports. On this port you can assemble the device on a test. On this port you have to assemble the reference gauge, and so that means we have different operating buttons. Here we have a fine adjust and pressure release, and here you can switch over between vacuum and pressure. So this is in the direction, if it's put in, then you can generate pressure. If you put it out, then you can generate vacuum. Yeah, so we like to generate some pressure, so I put it in. And this is of course an electrical pump, and the pump speed can be adjusted via this potentiometer. Yeah, so if you go in this position, then it's switched off. And on the back side you see we have a fuse and the connection for the power supply. The power supply is coming out of an standard power supply unit, and in this case we have 24 volt DC. So I plug in the plug here, yeah, and so turn it around, and for example then I can switch it on, and then you can hear the pump. And currently now the pump is working. With open pressure ports you cannot really generate pressure, so I switch off and start assembling the test gauges or the pressure gauges. So this is my gauge, my device on a test. I assemble it to port 1. Even you can assemble it to port 2. So vice versa, no differences. So hand tighten is completely enough, because inside we have some O-ring seals, and this is my device under test, or even my reference gauge. So I connect it. So that's it. Everything is sealed, and then I start pressure up the device, switch on, and now pressure is generated. So for example, I like to generate 5 bars. Stop at 5. I use the fine adjust, or even release a little bit of pressure. And so then with the fine adjust or with the pump again, yeah, you can quickly increase the pressure, stop in a certain range, and wait that the pressure is on a stable condition. And so then you can compare the pressure of the device under test with the pressure of the reference gauge. And that is what you can do with the P25 auto. And if you like to release the pressure, you release the pressure, and the pressure is going down to 0. That's it.